name is Gabby, and today I have a special guest with me. Hi! And her name is Kelsie. Okay, so today we are going to be making slime. And it's going to be green colored slime. So the first thing you have to do when you make slime is take the lid off and then start squishing it. Squish it. Can you use me to help? Yeah, use them. Yay. Work out. I'm gonna work out. I'm not giving up today. Oh. I'm not giving up. I'm doing it. It's the funniest part of it. Let's set it down like that so that the rest of it. Oh, I got glue on my hands. Yay, I'm glue-tastic. Hi. Time to get more glue. Get out! Ow! Give up. Yum. And guys, just letting you know, she's not my sister. She's only my friend. I'm sure about that. Not my sister. Okay, I think that's right to get a little more. Let's set it down on the end of the bowl and then the rest of the glue will eventually fall out. First I need to get this one. I'm getting some on this one. Okay. What? There. Now let's mix. Ooh. And now we're gonna add some of the activator. 1/4, right? The whole thing. Ooh, it's coming together. It's coming together, Nate. Mix it up. Mix it up. Let's mix it up. Mix it. I don't think it's quite coming together yet. Let's mix up. Mix. I think we poured it in too fast. Whatever. It's not cake. But what if it is? We could eat it. I mean, it looks pretty, so if it was cake, we could eat it. You ask a lot of weird questions. My stomach asks questions. I just say it. Okay, it looks like this is coming together, but the pieces still are kind of fine. I think we need a Once you start, you stop, okay? We have to get all of it in and make sure that, hold on. Oh yeah, that's still really liquidy. Stop, no, that's still really liquid. It's stuck in my hands. Get off. When it gets ready, you can unstick it. It looks like I have snot in my hands and it's not monster. I know, right? Oh, looks like this is how it's coming out. Stop. Because I need to work it with my hands. It's still really icky. Can I try to work it? Hold on. I think it's not ready. It feels like snot. You don't know what snot feels like. Oh no, What? Got it.
Good. Okay. Let's wash our hands. We're not gonna work our. No, don't put your hands in again. It's not ready. It's not ready.
It feels ready.
No, it's not ready. Let's just mix
Can you
it.
poke it in fast?
Mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. We need to get it all together. All together. All together. It's working.
I have a lot of activator on my hands. Just not realized it. I have activator on my hands.
Work it. I think my hands might help. Work it.
My hands is 99% activator right now.
Okay. Guys, I'll be right back. For now, she's gonna mix because I have to wash my hands. Hands.
Cece just for that snack. Oh, I got it on the screen. Oh. Come on. Don't worry, because when we get it to when it comes together, it'll start coming off.
Hey, I told you not to put your hands in that.
But it's doing good.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's getting to the part that it's not that liquidy. But still, though, put your hands in, okay?
That's
Because I put my hands in, seriously, they're more funny than yours. Well, excuse me.
we got snot on our hands, guys.
Snot.
We are snot queens, and we know what's up.
Oh,
Queens. Look, Cece, I have.
oh, hallelujah. Oh, no.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Let's see if it's ready. It's getting.
Let's knead it.
Let's knead it. Hold on.
Let's get
First,
it off the spoon.
I have to get used to it.
Thank your hands, everyone.
Hey.
That is a ginormous problem.
What?
I'm gonna work on with the slime that's on the bowl because it's green. You can't waste it. I mean, it's my favorite color.
Well, it's my favorite color too, also.
Which is exactly why you should agree with me that we can't waste it.
You have to get used to it.
We gotta work it.
Work it. Okay, that's enough. Finally, this does not feel like glue anymore.
Can I try?
Before, it felt like glue. Seriously, it felt like glue.
Ah!
It felt like just water and glue.
But that's activator.
And guys,
It's a magical liquid
guys-
that comes from unicorns.
and guys, that is not how you want your slime to be. I promise you, it is not.
A lot of slime.
It's working. It doesn't take in my hands.
It's just. Oh, hi.
No, not yet. I'm not ready yet. Okay, now you, baby.
Oh no, my ring. Can you take it off for me?
There's nothing on there. It's
But
only a
there
little.
will get something on it.
Well, you can always just wash it.
Like, huh? Ew! It's pretty.
Let's see if it's stretchy.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah. Well, anyway, bye guys. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe.